What if you could touch control all kinds of screens using a single device? With GLAMOS, that's not just a dream. Meet GLAMOS, a smart device that creates a virtual touchscreen anywhere. GLAMOS turns screens instantly interactive and lets you control them even from a distance. Chris became a magical presenter. All it takes to control his slides is his hands. Lucy is not glued to the phone anymore. GLAMOS brought her favorite game to life size, and now the entire family can play it together. GLAMOS creates a virtual touchscreen literally anywhere in the air and even on a wall. And all of this happened in the blink of an eye. Just plug it in and it's ready to work its magic. This is only possible thanks to our LiDAR technology. GLAMOS senses motion with a rotating mirror module, converts it into touch points, and delivers it to the device. GLAMOS comes to the rescue when your hands are messy and you need to swipe through your recipe, or when you wish you could just browse with your hands without touching the remote. Explore the seamless possibilities of GLAMOS and bring your devices to life. Anywhere you want with all kinds of devices. Experience a whole new level of comfort, convenience, and fun. The choice is yours. GLAMOS.